I had an amazing experience on the Kamakura and Atami fireworks tour. The tour guide Sakuragi was fantastic, knowledgeable, friendly, and passionate about sharing Japanese culture. He provided fascinating insights into Kamakura's history and made sure everyone, especially the elderly, felt comfortable and well cared for throughout the trip. The Atami fireworks show was breathtaking. Sakuragi made sure everyone was well informed, reminding us about the last train and offering flexible options to get off at Shinjuku or Tokyo Station. Our driver, Mr. Ito, was equally thoughtful, stopped the bus as close as possible to Atami Beach so we didn't have to walk far. The Atami fireworks were breathtaking, and the entire trip was smooth and enjoyable thanks to the excellent coordination and care from both the guide and the driver. Highly recommend this tour for anyone looking to explore and experience Japan with a thoughtful and professional guide. Minivan tour for 10 packs. 1 p.m. meeting to 11:10 p.m. return. Long way to travel to Atami, but it was a good experience for fireworks and look around Enoshima, Kamakura High School station, useful if you stay around Shinjuku. It was amazing experience. The guide know English and Chinese so I can understand everything. The experience is amazing. Fireworks are so beautiful. It is completely good experience. Worth of money. The firework is amazing. The tour guide gave suggestions on the spots to enjoy it. It is a better alternative rather than staying at Atami for a night. The hotel is 3-4 times higher than the day before. Would like to thank our guide Ms. Yan Yan, who was very helpful and friendly. Most time was spent on traveling, but it is still a good itinerary. Enoshima Island was a good small walk. And for slam dunk anime fans, the Kamakura Kokome scene will be a good photo-taking location. And of course the nighttime fireworks at Atami Beach completes makes the trip memorable. The tour is great value for money, and the tour guide, Juju, is friendly and kind. The itinerary is well organized, and the tour bus is waiting at the meeting point early, so guests don't have to wait for the bus in the hot weather. Worth recommending. You can also see Mount Fuji along the way. Juju arranged a great viewing spot for the fireworks display, away from the crowded beach. The driver also deserves praise for arriving at Shinjuku Station on time. Everything was nice and the fireworks show at Atami Beach was spectacular. Would go again. Really recommend this trip. Tour guide Kenny worked hard to organize so many people. The driver was very polite. Although the time was tight due to traffic jams, we gave enough time to each scenic spot. The wind was strong, but the fireworks on the boat were even more stunning. The tour guide informed us of the direction of the fireworks in advance and we were drawn to the first batch to board the boat, so we stood in the first row, which made this trip to the fireworks on the boat even more fortunate. The vehicle drove smoothly and the round-trip time was very well controlled. Wow! The tour was outstanding. We saw so many beautiful places and everything went smooth. The firework from the boat was awesome. Had a lovely trip yesterday with a comfortable van in a small group. There was a little traffic, but since we have arrived everything went smoothly. Smile. The tour guide Xiaoyu was very nice, and his explanations were detailed and thoughtful. The entire itinerary was arranged reasonably, not rushed, and we simply checked in at some popular attractions. It happened to be the last day of Japan's 3-day holiday, and there was a bit of traffic jam when we returned to Tokyo at night, but this was unavoidable. This tour was just perfect. Traveling by a minivan to Japan's highlights in Hakone and the Atami fireworks,